This is a test to check the communication between the Arduino and the Sabertooth motor controller. It only uses pin 13 to communicate with a Sabertooth, and it uses pin 9 as a dead man. That's the only connection that's needed for this test. In this test, the motor starts out stopped and then comes on at 10%, 20, 30, 40, and 50%, and then it reverses 50, 40, 30, 20, 10, and stop. So I'll let it run just a few minutes to see it working. Before you even begin to start balancing, you have to make sure that you have good, solid communication between the Arduino and the Sabertooth, and it also checks out your 9600 baud settings on your Sabertooth. This also checks the dead man. If you would let go of the dead man switch, hopefully everything would stop. And it does. Repressing the dead man switch, and it starts again. You can bring up the serial monitor on your PC if you want, and you can check out the command because the code goes right across. It tells you what % you should be on at all times.